Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix unresponsive screen, fixing touchscreen problems on the latest iPhones. Dealing with an unresponsive iPhone screen can be frustrating, especially when you rely on your device for daily tasks. Whether your screen isn't reacting to touch, is freezing intermittently, or has stopped working entirely, there are several steps you can take to resolve this issue. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. If your iPhone screen is unresponsive, you should force restart your iPhone. One of the simplest solutions for a frozen or unresponsive screen is to force restart your iPhone 8 and later iPhones. Press and release the volume up button quickly and then press and release the volume down button and then press the power button. A slider will appear, so slide to power off and then wait for some time and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. You should also clean the screen and remove accessories. And the next step is update your iPhone software. An outdated iOS version can cause software issues that impact touchscreen performance. If your screen is working intermittently or you manage to navigate your iPhone, update the software to the latest version. For this, go to Settings, choose General option and choose Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on Update Now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is restore your iPhone using recovery mode. If your screen remains unresponsive, restoring your iPhone through recovery mode may solve the problem. This process wipes your device clean, so make sure you have a backup before proceeding. Restore your iPhone using recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes or Finder and then enter recovery mode by press and release the volume up button and press and release the volume down button and press and hold the side button until the recovery mode appears and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix unresponsive screen, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.